Let's create different account groups. Go to OBD4. OBD4. Here we need to classify the GL account groups like assets, liabilities, income statement, profit and loss account. As per your requirement, you can do it. So I'm just classifying only four types only. Our chart of accounts is GIP, account groups is liabilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you give 7th digit, let's see what will happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. System throw error. Sorry. Actually, system should throw error, but we did not assign to company code and chart of accounts. So in the chart of accounts level, we have given only 6 digits. So I'm just removing and just give all lines. And GIP set to just take the entries and just create. As per your requirement, you can create your own chart of accounts. So income statement. And here GIP and expenses account, just take 9400 000 400 sorry 499 999. Just take and save it and just assign over in OB62. Already I have opened, I think. Yeah, here. Sorry, that is chart of account assignment. We have created account groups. So in the return ending accounts also just create. So as of now, we did not create any GL account. So go to OB53. Here our chart of account is already we have created GIP. GIP. And I am giving as a what is return ending accounts. Return ending accounts is at the end of the year, all profit and loss account statement amount will carry forward to the next year. So through the return earning accounts. So I did not created any account. Just I'm giving 00100. So system throwing a warning message. Account is not created in the chart of accounts. So after when we creating the GL accounts, that time we will create. So as of now, this ignore this warning message. Just save. You can use instead of X, Y, whatever you want. You can use this will our show in while creating the GL accounts. So we can check from the FS00, this profit and loss account statement information, the X field. Okay. If you want, you can create more than one retaining accounts, but one is enough normally.